So earlier in the day, I made a video with my daughter and it's spraying these lovely little sunflower microgreens, and just want to show you how much difference there was from this morning till now in the evening. Being in my greenhouse today, they have really opened up and are growing lovely. Take a look at those beautiful sunflower microgreens. These are super easy to grow. I just put them in peat moss, wet it down, soak the seeds overnight, plop them in, put some weight on them to black them out for a couple days, and then when they start rooting good, then you can take the weight off and then they'll start growing. Hey, this is an excellent way to grow food. So it takes up a very small amount of room and you get plenty. I'm sure this is gonna taste great. I've never had sunflower microgreens before. I already snacked on a few. They do taste pretty good. Okay, thanks for watching. I'll give you updates on how this is going over the next few days. Until then, don't forget to hit that subscribe and like button, and we'll try some more microgreens down the road and see how they grow.